Today you guys are getting a video on what we went through to bring this 95 Jeep YJ back to life. And at the end I'll give you details on the paint code and parts that we threw at it. So enjoy. Okay, well, let's get into it. We have a 95 Jeep YJ 4-cylinder. It had a lot of rust. We did a bunch of service work on it first, and then the owner said, hey, why don't you splash some paint on that thing while it's here? Well, this is what happens when you just let me do what I want. That means I pick the color. The customer hasn't even seen this yet. He doesn't even know what color it is. We did not do a factory color. We did a beautiful, I don't know if you can see all the metallic and pearl, but this is a Toyota color. The paint code is 070. We used Challenger paint. It's a brand we've been messing with this year. Guys at Rondex have started carrying, and we really like it. It's reasonably priced, easy to use. We've had no issues with it. There we go. The sun just came out just for the video. It is beautiful. This is the same color I did on my Duramax. We did a satin black on all of the parts, the flares, all the little parts, the mirrors. We did a rough country roof, soft top. And we also did a light bar. Oh yes, we had to get new latches for the hood. Could not get black. Only chrome was available. Thankfully the front end has a bunch of chrome to go with it, because everything else on it's black, but that was the only option available. The wheels we just did in a factory silver color. And that's all he wants. He just wants his Jeep stock daily driver. He uses it all year round. I don't think he's going to want to use it right now since it's so dirty out and it looks so good. And I will be doing a feature on this roof the next day on how it fit, what we went through. Very happy with it. Makes me want a Jeep, actually, seeing how nice it looks when it's finished. So there you go. Another one is leaving the building right now. We have to get rid of this thing because we have 2 more coming. So thank you for watching, and I hope you subscribe.